everybody, guess what? I went to the Dollar Tree. Yes, I did. And I got these Amope Petty Perfect. I've seen a lot of people haul it. I was jealous. I was on a hunt. I was calling around to see if a store would have them. The store is usually that I go to. We went there 2 days ago. I looked all over the place. Couldn't find them. I called them yesterday. They said they didn't get their trucks until Thursday. Today is Thursday. And I go in the store and I found an end cap of them. So I grabbed like 3 or 4 of them. And I'm like, I need to get more because I plan on giving these away for friends and family, just certain things I want to do for people. And this lady saw them in my hand. She's like, where'd you find those? I says, come follow me. She's like, you didn't take them all off the shelf? I says, no, there's still a lot left. So she follows me, and like me and her just grab a bunch of them. I grabbed 18 of them. I know it's a little ridiculous that I grabbed 18 of them, but I could not pass this up. Let me show you guys my phone and show you guys what I found for some research. Okay, so as I was sitting in the car, I went to the Walmart's website and I just screenshot this. But my Walmart and my local store sells this for $25.41. It was originally $36.84. 25 bucks just for this. Sorry, my lighting's not the greatest. 25 bucks. So then I also looked at Amazon. Amazon was actually reasonably priced. They wanted $9.01 for this, which if I wanted to buy this, I would buy it for $9, but you know me. And then I went to the Target website and they want it for $36.99 and they had it in stock for the same exact item. $36.99. So I don't know. I plan on getting these because, you know, you could get these for a gift for somebody. And yeah, you only paid $1, but they won't know that. They will not know that. So I stocked up. My store only had blue. I kind of wanted a pink one, but I'm not really complaining. You can't go wrong for $1. But I just wanted to show you guys my Dollar Tree Amope crazy whatever. I've been on a hunt for this and I'm searching for them for the last couple days. But I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.